Hey guys, what's going on here? Mitchell Faulkner II, CEO and founder, Masondogg Academy of Technologies. I'm here with my CTO, Dennis.
Dennis Elliott. I'm the CTO of Masondogg Academy of Technologies. Today is our first class, and we are excited.
Ready to go. So you see we got everything set up here. We got fans, we got hard drives, we got cables, we got graphics cards, we got RAM. We got everything here. So we got our classroom set up. We got our course set up here. Our command station is over here. We're ready to roll. This is what we do. We are ready to teach kids and show them what is going on with technology and how to build computers and how to learn about computers and get excited. Teach them a skill that they can learn and take with them, for the rest of their life in the future, rest of their life, build a career or whatever they want to do.
Just have fun with it. Just have fun. You do it.
So that's it. So thank you very much, and make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. All right, leave feedback. There's a room in the last one before. Masondogg Academy of Technologies. So what we are doing, we're starting up a program where we can actually teach kids and adults everything about computers and just technology in general. So learning how to build computers, learning how to make video games, learning how to do VR, make VR games, anything like that. So I'm here also with my CTO, Dennis.
Dennis Elliott, CTO of Masondogg Academy of Technologies. I'm in charge of all the technology stuff. Basically, everything we're doing today is something I'm heavily involved in.
Yep. So we've been doing we've been doing computers like pretty much all our life. So what we'll do is do a little talk about, so I'll talk about myself a little bit, give everybody else an opportunity to just kind of share, say your name and what you do, and we'll do this. So we'll start off first. So like I said, my name is Mitchell. I've been in the Air Force. I've been doing computers ever since I was 9 years old. Who's in here is 9? Anybody in here 9? 8? 7? Okay, just trying to see what we got. So I've been doing computers since I was 9. Got my first computer when I was 9, and just been going ham ever since then. So this is what I do for a living. So I was in the Air Force, and now I work for IT at the VA as well. And so this is what I do. So start the company so we can teach. So Dennis, I'll pass it over to you. Just tell a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, I've been around computers pretty much my whole life. Probably the same age as I mentioned, up to close of 9, 10. The first computer I took apart was my dad's business computer for his company. Took it apart with unknown, got in major trouble, and been doing it ever since. Built my own computers here and there. In the Army for 4 years. I don't do anything now except for what you see now, just teaching kids.
Sweet. All right, so we're gonna start on this side. Get you see that? So if you would just stand up and just say, say your name and tell something about yourself. Just kind of get things moving, get people okay.
I got a question for everybody.
What we got?
Everybody, when you introduce yourself, say what your favorite app or game is. Like, if you have a computer or a phone, if you only had to have one game or one app that you could use on your computer, what would you use? That's a good question for everybody to get started. So before he go, y'all think about it too. Y'all answer it as well.
Perfect. So you want us to go first, or you want to?
Yeah, let him go because he look like he's still thinking anyway.
Okay.
So give him a second.
So my favorite game that I like to play is Dota 2. That's my favorite game. I don't know if anybody knows that, but Dota 2. So
Favorite game, Fallout 4. Hands down, best
Fallout
game
4. All right, so you go ahead.
My name is Chad. Y'all can call me CJ. My favorite game is probably NBA 2K.
Sweet. Thank you, Chad. Go ahead, man. It's your turn. Go ahead. You got it. Don't be nervous. Look, nobody be nervous. This is a house of fun. Yeah, nobody be nervous. We're just having fun. No worries.
My name is Lamar Kane, and I like to play GTA a lot.
Okay, GTA. Okay, hold on. Let me do something real quick. Let's use this because I see not everybody has that. Yeah.
I like to play GTA a lot.
There you go.
My name's Kamani.
Yeah, go ahead and stand up.
Well, my name's Kamani. My favorite game is Fortnite.
Fortnite, let's go. Let's get it. All right. We'll just go like this, zigzag, go down.
Hey, can you hit the middle light for right now? So it's like,
Okay, just one more right. That's fine.
Tyler, my favorite game is Black Ops 2.
okay,
Black
nice.
Ops 2? Nice, nice.
Tyler.
My name is Abigail, and my favorite game is Roblox.
Roblox, okay.
Let's go, let's go.
My name is Simone, and my favorite game is Portals 2.
Oh, yeah, I like Portals. Yeah, I like that game.
My name is Kayla, and my favorite game is Fortnite.
Fortnite.
Okay.
There we go.
My name is Morgan, and my favorite game is also Fortnite.
Okay. Man, what happened to Minecraft? Man, what Minecraft at?
Actually, I was just about to say that, but I don't play that.
Got you. Nah, I know, it's an older game, I know.
Yeah, sometimes I play, but
I do.
Alright, cool. You want y'all can do it if you want to. You know, your parents want to get in. And it could be an app too. Like if you play an app game, like Bubbles or Jules or whatever, you know? It don't have to be a console game. Yeah, Crush, yeah.
Well, my name is Loretta Jones, and I play a game called Credit Stackers.
Okay, there we go.
I don't play video games, but I am on Instagram. That's what I do.
What about the game you used to play, the little Jewel game? You don't play that anymore? Oh, okay. You done with that.
My name is Darius Fletcher. There's a game I would say I'd like to play, and I guess it would be Ark Survival Evolved.
Nice. I could never figure that. I could never get clothes on. Those who play art, or I'm trying to play,
My name is Chad Senior.
I think I'm gonna tell my age. My favorite game is Galaxy.
I like Call of Duty Zombies. I'll say
I'll play that.
Not the regular Call of Duty. It has to be the Zombies one. I'll say that's about it.
Sweet. Thank you so much. Awesome. Hey, round of applause, everybody. So that's a good icebreaker. Okay, so we have a YouTube channel as well. So you can also go to our YouTube channel, Masondogg.AOT.com. That's 2 G's, MASONDOGG, AOT.com. For the searching on YouTube. And then we have our website, MasondogAOT.com. And also, you can email us at contact@masondogg.com. All right, so let's go on to the next thing. Of course, we already introduced Lita McKnight. She's our graphic designer. She builds characters and creates characters. And she also did our poster that's out in the front at the bottom. So she drew that where the girl is coming out of the computer. So she did that. So we got Miss Kennedy.
Hello, everyone.
So that's our support team. Okay, so we are going to take a bathroom break. Of course, if anybody needs scrap paper, let me know. So go ahead and get started. Go ahead and try to fill that out. We'll give like 5 or 10 minutes or something like that to try to go ahead.
Mitch.
If y'all need help reading the questions, then I don't know. I want to try y'all.
Yeah. No, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, if you don't know something, that's fine. Just do the best you can. That's the whole point of the pop quiz. So the point of this pop quiz is just to see what you know, just to test your knowledge.
Oh, when you guys are done, if you can put your names on your folders also.
Oh yeah.
And, once we're done with this, we'll collect them. And later on, we'll give them back out.
Whatever one you think.
But keep your scrap paper though.
Yeah.
Always good to have your numbers.